happen.
for so long. Like,
Yeah.
it's not. I'm not always drunk anymore. Like, it's not always like.
But that's the only way to describe like the way those specific things feel to me.
Yes.
It's like I'm like my body's drunk, but my mind isn't, or like I'm partially deprived of some sense.
Yeah.
Like I can see, but like noise is obscured, but not mute.
Oftentimes in those rooms, my vision is like.
Really?
And I think it feels like being drugged at like a badass. Like it's not. There's that.
Yeah.
Hot, right?
Yeah.
And you like want to like put your head sideways.
Yes. Why is that?
Like you want to walk
Why
around
do I
like this.
distinctly know that? But I just like I used to get fucked up on that show all the time, but I haven't told her.
I don't know. And I just kept
You're like
sipping it, and I didn't even. I was like, this. I don't know. Okay, so the other reporters in my mind, I grew up into a big, strong adult, so I can't get high off of this anymore. Let's see what And then I stood up and I was like, oh my god.
I think I remember you talking about that.
It was like a couple months ago.
It was probably I think it was